DOM is basically a fancy name that's given to something very simple. Now, let me explain you. Who uses the DOM? The DOM is basically used by the browser. So, whenever you open Chrome and visit a web page, you're basically requesting the browser to open the web page. So, the browser sends this request to a server, let's say Facebook server. And Facebook server is basically, or any server, is basically a shitty person who gives you a string. Now, this string contains HTML. Now, the Facebook server tells the browser that you take this particular string and do whatever you want with it. Now, this browser is a smart, hardworking Indian guy. So, what this browser does is it takes the string, finds out that it is of HTML type, and converts this string into an intelligent object. Now, this object is stored in tree data structure. Now, if you already know HTML, HTML also has a very structured representation. It starts with the HTML tag, then we have the head and the body. Now, the browser is smart enough to convert this HTML representation and store it in an object. So when you store it in an object, it stores it in the tree format. And every HTML tag is basically converted into a node in the object, in the tree. Now each node contains all the information that represents that's required. So now when the object is ready, the browser starts painting the page with the information that is contained inside this object. So this is what is DOM, or the document object model. Now, as developers, why you need to understand the DOM? Whenever a front-end developer works, like let's say clicking on a button and change the color from green to red or whatever, you're basically accessing the DOM and changing the attribute that's attached to the particular node. Let's say the button is a particular node. Now the button had an attribute color with the value green. Now, once you change this attribute to color red, the browser will again repaint that particular button, and then you get a green button, a red button. So that is what a DOM is. A DOM is an object that contains some information, and it is used to make the web page. Now, if you like the video, hit the likes button. If you didn't like the video, hit the like button and the subscribe button. Thank you.